Okay, so let's do a recap of the project. We're snapped to that side. We have a short panel, a magnetic doorway. We turn the corner, we place the snap strategically at that bottom corner, taking an outside hang Velcro attachment. And the larger panel wraps all the way around and snaps to the far end of the porch. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this white curtain down that has a Velcro attachment and an outside hang, and we're going to put up a black curtain on tracking with an inside hang.